Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be making a roasted pork tenderloin with fresh garden herbs right from our garden. We're going to start with some fresh rosemary, and we have lots, so I'm going to cut more than I need. I'll cut some pineapple sage. I will get some fresh thyme. We'll grab some fresh oregano. There's nothing like fresh herbs. Okay, so we cut a bunch of our herbs. This is how we typically dry them. I'm going to use some of this tarragon. Since we don't have enough fresh, I'll just use some of the dried tarragon we already have. All right, let's start by chopping up some of these fresh herbs that we just plucked from our garden. This pork is going to be good. So we're going to start with some rosemary. We'll do about a tablespoon. Rosemary is probably the thickest, most durable of all these herbs, so I'm going to chop it up a little bit finer than some of the other ones. Let's add some of this oregano. Just give these a light chop. All right, the pineapple sage. We're not sure how this will taste, but since we have it, we'll give it a shot. I'm just going to pluck off a few leaves, roll them up. We'll add some dried tarragon, not much. This I'm just going to put right into the bowl. I'm not going to chop it. And for my favorite herb, thyme. Now thyme and the rosemary are very hearty. You can add that before you sear the pork, but in my case, I'm going to create just a bit of a herb oil. So we don't want big pieces on there. So I'm going to chop this up finely. Okay, that looks good. Much better. Much happier with that. We'll add some olive oil. I'm going to add a little bit of mustard, not a lot. A little bit of honey. We'll just give that a mix, so we need more oil in there. We're going to heat this pan up and we'll sear this pork so it's nice and brown. Let's add our herb mixture. All right, we'll check that in about 10 minutes. When it's at 140 degrees, we'll pull it out, let it rest, and then make a quick pan sauce. Oh, look at those delicious herbs. It smells great. Okay, so my wife plucked an apple and she said they're ripe and ready. So I decided let's add some to our pork tenderloin. That one looks good. We gotta peel them. Let's add these onions and the apples. And then we'll add our chicken stock. Maybe 2 teaspoons of honey and a tablespoon of cold butter. I'm going to add a little bit of brown sugar. Oh, look at that. So it's nice and juicy. A little bit of pink. All right, everyone. Well, thanks for cooking with us. We just wanted to show you everything here is from our garden. All the herbs from the pork from our garden. Some apples, also from our apple tree, which you saw. Cucumbers from our garden.
Armenian cucumber.
Armenian cucumbers. Heirloom tomatoes, some fresh cut tomatoes.
Beans.
Oh, the long beans, yep.
And the green beans. And the bitter eggplant.
Yep.
You won't like it, but I'll eat this.
She'll eat it.
And then some okra. I just
okra.
steamed them.
Steamed everything.
Let's steam.
Everything from our garden. And we'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, please. It helps us out and allows us to continue to make these videos. It's good with the achari. Want some?
Sure. Pork is awesome. Tender,
Good.
moist. It's not dry, so it's good.
It's got that,
Sweet.
and the herbs, right? There's so many herbs. Not overpowering, but it's so good.